As we all know that we slept in one world and we woke up in another one. Deadly COVID-19 had been a nightmare for 2020. But it's rightly said, what can't be cured had to be endured. And we all are trying to come up to the situations. Profit makers, entrepreneurs still are waiting for their profits. Cinemas and malls, they are waiting for their jink to return back. So as are the schools. And students being an integral part, they are equally being victimized of it. But our students have not given up. They cannot. So today on this virtual platform, my children of class 12th E are going to present themselves. For them, before they begin, I would just say, अगर देखना है इनके हौसलों की उड़ान को तो आसमान से कह दो थोड़ा और उड़ जाए. Thank you.
You must be the change you wish to see in the world. The rising sun cast the rosy hue across the morning sky. The golden fingers of sunlight light up the scene. Good morning. I, Ronald Bagri, on behalf of class 12th E, feel privileged to present you all the first time ever online class assembly. Let us all seek the blessing of God together. Introducing Tapan Lamba, invocating to God, Teri hai zameen.
है ज़मीं तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शीश कर सभी का है तू सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे तू बख्शीश कर तेरी है ज़मीं तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शीश कर सभी का है तू सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे तू बख्शीश कर. तेरी मर्जी से मालिक हम इस दुनिया में आए हैं. तेरी मर्जी से मालिक हम इस दुनिया में आए हैं. तेरी रहमत से हम सब ने ये जिस्म जान पाए हैं. तू हम पे नजर अपनी रखना किस हाल में है ये खबर रखना. है ज़मीं तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शीश कर सभी का है तू सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे तू बख्शीश कर. तेरी है ज़मीं तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शीश कर सभी का है तू सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे तू बख्शीश कर तू बख्शीश कर.
Wow! After a heartwarming invocation to the omnipotent by our classmates, I, Supreme, feel immense privilege to present the further event by the sharing of great ideas and thoughts by our girl squad.
मुट्ठी में कुछ सपने लेकर भर कर जेबों में आशाएं, दिल में है अरमान यही कुछ कर जाएं, कुछ कर जाएं. सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में, दीपक सा जलता देखोगे. सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में, दीपक सा जलता देखोगे. अपनी हद रोशन करने से तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? मैं उस माटी का वृक्ष नहीं जिसको नदियों ने सींचा है। मैं उस माटी का वृक्ष नहीं जिसको नदियों ने सींचा है। बंजर माटी में पल कर मैंने मृत्यु से जीवन खींचा है। मैं पत्थर पर लिखी इबारत हूं। मैं पत्थर पर लिखी इबारत हूं। शीशे से कब तक तोड़ोगे? मिटने वाला मैं नाम नहीं। तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? इस जग में जितने जुल्म नहीं, उतने सहने की ताकत है। तालों के भी शोर में रहकर सच कहने की आदत है। मैं सागर से भी कह रहा हूं, मैं सागर से भी कह रहा हूं, तुम कितने पंखा फेंकोगे? चुन चुन कर आगे बढ़ूंगा मैं। तुम मुझको कब तक? झुक झुक कर सीधा खड़ा हुआ, अब फिर झुकने का शौक नहीं। झुक झुक कर सीधा खड़ा हुआ, अब फिर झुकने का शौक नहीं। अपने ही हाथों रचा स्वयं, तुमसे मिटने का खौफ नहीं। तुम हालातों की भट्टी में जब जब भी मुझको झोंकोगे, तब तब कर सोना बनूंगा मैं। तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे? तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे?
NEWS or news is the fourth pillar of a democracy builder. It's a way of sharing ups and downs in the society. Leading to it, we now move towards the updates in our nation as well as in the school, holding the lead by a boy squad.
National news. India has confirmed 26,47,663 confirmed cases of COVID-19, including 50,921 deaths. Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh have reported highest number of cases. However, infection rate is rising in states like Karnataka and Uttar Pradesh, yet it hasn't stopped the rising recovery rate of India and it stands at 72.5% now.
International news. Russia to test its vaccine Sputnik V on 40,000 people next week. And wildfire rage in Northern California are being threatening to thousands of homes. Thank you.
Sports news. Indian Premier League IPL 2020 will be held in UAE from September 19 to November 12. Thank you.
Let me equip you with LPS news. The result of 2019 have crossed new limits with great amaze. The topper of RPM Lovely Public School have banked 499 marks out of 500. 801 students brought distinction in different subjects. So, as the school felicitated 100% scorer and topper with gold and silver medal. A great event Karyanjali was celebrated and has been accomplished to celebrate birth anniversary of founder chairperson Honorable Dr. R.P. Malik sir on 15th of August 2020 Saturday.
From a very childhood, the quote that we all heard was, sharing is caring. But amidst the world of COVID-19, whole definition has changed now. My fellow mates will be sharing their views on it further.
Sharing is caring is a common phrase but had a big meaning that when we share something with someone else, it is equal to caring him. We show our care and interest in him. But at times, sharing is not caring, especially in these days, as the whole world is fighting against the pandemic of COVID-19, and in order to combat with the current situation, we need to take some precautions like not to share our food items and other necessary things with anyone. We should use our own hand sanitizer and mask, and being a student, we should maintain proper social distancing with everyone and use our own stationery items in order to stay safe from COVID-19 disease.
When it comes to food, sharing is no longer caring. Post the COVID-19 pandemic, instead of sharing, eating together will be about personal cutlery, impassable dining etiquettes, and social distancing. This is bound to change the Indian culture of sharing dhabas and the practice of community meals. Eating together has been a big part of Chinese history. But the country is now witnessing change in its dining etiquettes. Chinese restaurants where one-pot meals were shared by the patrons are no longer popular due to the hygiene concerns. A recently conducted survey by China youth in the country highlights that people are wary of sharing food and prefer their own chopsticks, plates, and soap bowls while eating.
After the great sharing of thoughts by our fellow on the topic sharing is not caring, let's take a new ideology on the impact of lockdown on students' life. How many of you have thought that a cylinder of some air-borne microbes would stop the learning cycle of Indians? Question. Yeah, so let's get ahead and see what our classmates have got for us.
Hello folks, my topic is impact of pandemic. We as a students are suffering a lot because of pandemic. We are starving of our precious school moments, although at home we are receiving our best. But still, those interactive classrooms, blackboard writings, water tap queues and endless mischiefs are longing for.
Hello everyone! You can speak well if your tongue delivers the message of your heart. Keeping this in mind, I, Supreet Singh of class 12, feeling a privilege to present my opinion on how COVID impacted the life of a student in India. Without wasting any further time, I start presenting my opinion. Hello COVID survivors, how many of you have thought that a cylinder of some airborne microbe would stop the running cycle of Indians? I repeat, Indians. We Indian students are mentioned to be having the world's most, greatest and superior most education system around the universal matter, namely Earth. This online system of teaching the outcome of the outbreak is a good way of new and organized learning in this isolation pandemic time we all are.
Online learning will definitely have a different purpose, and it has drifted a lot towards the focus-based learning. It offers us for self-paced education. That means each and every student, without the pressure to maintain the pace with the rest of the student, can practice self-paced learning. It also offers the teachers to one-to-one interaction with the student that was earlier not possible, neither for the student nor for the teachers. It has reduced our distraction and it has improved the competency-based online learning. The COVID-19 has given us opportunity to practice on our hobbies and give time to our family that was never possible ever before. And in the meantime, while sitting at home, we can give time to our weak areas. That is, it allows us to give time to the complex subjects. It also offers the student to save energy and time that was earlier wasted to travel long distances while attending classes. Now, the techno-savvy generation and pro-digital student are loving the concept of online education. It has, in the other way, improved the attendance of the student. Students and teachers both are creating the new memories on the online cyberspace. In my conclusion, I would say nobody can go back and start from the beginning, but anybody can start today and create the new ending. I would insist you all to search for something good in your day, even if it is harder for you to search every day. Thank you so much.
On the occasion of Teachers' Day, we cannot foresee the efforts induced by our teachers. Let us all wish a very happy Teachers' Day at this platform, virtually.
Now, one of our classmates will be presenting a lovely poem on this auspicious event.
Good morning everyone present here, esteemed judges and respected teachers. I feel extremely proud and grateful to have a great opportunity to pay a hearty gratitude to the Gurus of our life. Guru, teacher, mentor, giver of knowledge and uplifting students' morale. The one, and uplifting students' morale. Respectful and remaining calm in each and every situation and understanding the students very well. This is Guru for me. One who teaches the lesson of life is Guru. One who teaches the path of success is Guru. Seeing whom the head goes down with respect. This is Guru for me. Mother, the very first teacher who teaches us to walk and talk, who gives her entire life for her child's comfort, loving, caring and guiding always, and an unflinching support for lifetime. Father, guiding Guru. Father, the guiding Guru, who help us in each and every situation of our life. Strict at times but gentle at heart, act as a pillar of strength and in failures, and the happiest person when his children fly high. Blessing the children and guiding the path. Teacher, the guiding Guru, imparting knowledge to the children, so that we are able to make a better place in this world. One who deals with his stubbornness and rudeness with kindness and love, with compassionate and care, like a shining light, who prays for our success so that we shine bright. Thank you.
Good morning. I would like to share my views on online classes. First of all, I want to thank to the higher authorities and the teachers of Lovely Public School for successfully conducting the online classes in this crucial time when our whole country is locked down and all the children are in the home for their lives. Teachers of LPS are taking their classes through online, they are teaching through online and helping the students in their studies. They are not even only teaching, even they are discussing their queries, solving their problems and checking the homework through online PDF. And because of the teachers, our children are not wasting their time. They are engaged in their study, they are busy in the study and make this time quality time. I want to thank to the teachers. I appreciate them for their efforts and I am very obliged the concerned authorities, higher authorities of LPS and the teachers. Thanks to all.
मेरी बेटी अंशिका सिंह लवली पब्लिक स्कूल में 12th स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ती है। जैसा कि आप सबको मालूम है कि आजकल कोविड-19 बीमारी फैल रही है, जिसकी वजह से पूरा भारत लॉकडाउन है। सभी कॉलेज, ऑफिस, स्कूल वगैरह बंद है। स्कूल न जाने की वजह से बच्चों की पढ़ाई नहीं हो पा रही है। हम बहुत चिंता में थे कि अगर इसी तरह से चलता रहा तो बच्चे का सिलेबस कैसे पूरा हो पाएगा, वो कैसे अपनी आगे की प्रिपरेशन कर पाएंगे। बच्चे भी बहुत स्ट्रेस में थे कि उनका समय पे सिलेबस पूरा हो पाएगा या नहीं। तभी लवली पब्लिक स्कूल की टीचर और उनकी मैनेजमेंट ने ऑनलाइन स्टडी शुरू की, जिसे देखकर हमें बहुत खुशी हुई। हम लवली पब्लिक स्कूल की टीचर और उनकी मैनेजमेंट का दिल से आभार व्यक्त करते हैं कि उन्होंने ऑनलाइन स्टडी शुरू की। ऑनलाइन स्टडी शुरू होने से अब समय रहते बच्चों का सिलेबस पूरा हो जाएगा, उनके ऊपर बर्डन भी नहीं पड़ेगा और वो रिवीजन के लिए बहुत समय दे पाएंगे। बच्चे बड़े इंटरेस्टिंग वे से अपने टीचर का लेक्चर सुन रहे हैं। हम लवली पब्लिक स्कूल की टीचर और उनके मैनेजमेंट का दिल से आभार व्यक्त करते हैं कि उन्होंने समय रहते हुए बच्चे के भविष्य को ध्यान में रखते हुए ये कदम उठाया। धन्यवाद।
I hope you all get ready for the next performance of this event and so just enjoy every moment of it. And I also wish best of luck for all the performers.
मुझे विश्वास है हर हिंदुस्तानी इस संकट का न सिर्फ सफलता से मुकाबला करेगा बल्कि इस मुश्किल घड़ी से विजयी होकर निकलेगा।
जय 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 हो जय 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 जय। फिर से शहरों में रौनक आएगी, फिर से गाँव में लौटेगी हंसी, फिर से साथ सारे यार होंगे, ना होगी पाबंदी ना रोक ही कोई। फिर से सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे, पटरी पे पहिए भागेंगे, गूंजेंगे खेलों के मैदान, बांटेंगे हम खुशियां, गम भी हम मिलकर बांटेंगे। फिर से होगी सपनों की उड़ान, जो साथ देते सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया। जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया।
I am very glad to find all my teachers over here. A huge respect and love to all of them. Now we are being celebrating Teachers Day on 5th September because to respect our teachers and remember how important they are to us. The light of world and the beacon in the dark, the hope that gives us strength to survive is our team. A day kept aside to honor the gifted soul who worked very hard each and every day to make our future the level best. Across the world, Teachers' Day is a mark of respect in the society amongst everybody. Teaching is one of the most respectable jobs with significant influence and with various responsibilities. Teachers are the backbone of students. Teachers are also being compared with the captain of the ship who teaches us the right destination. Teacher helps us in each and every manner we want if we seek help genuinely. On this occasion, we pay tribute to our worthy and lovable teacher for their contribution in the lives, in society and in the nation. We cannot forget their gift to us. Happy Teachers Day.
All good things comes to an end, and every end is the new beginning. The hard work never goes unrewarded. So as our efforts, now it's the time to propose vote of thanks.
We feel immeasurable gratification thanking our principal, Dr. Inder Malik sir, for giving us this opportunity. We are so thankful to our class teacher, respected Komal ma'am, for their constant guidance and valuable support. Without her encouragement and supervision, we were never able to give our best. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your support. Finally, I would thank the Crown of Lovely Public Senior Secondary School 12th A. You guys were the star of today's performance. You performed your duties with complete responsibility. And to my audience, I would say, if time is money, then you have spent millions for us. I would thank the Almighty God, the Creator, who made today's occasion the most successful event. Finally, I would thank one and all. Thank you so much.
Shanti Part. Om Dyo Shanti Antariksha Shanti Prithvi Shanti Rapah Shanti Roshadaya Shanti Vanaspataya Shanti Vishwadeva Shanti Brahma Shanti Sarva Shanti Shanti Devi Shanti Sama Shanti Redi Om Shanti Shanti Om.